Guys, thank you so much for coming again. This is Miguel here, and you are in the Information Security newspaper channel. So today we're going to talk about a really interesting topic. I want you to please remain, and if you can, please give us a like and comment the video. So let's get started. Guys, hello. So we're going to talk about the cryptocurrencies. So I want you to please tell me what do you know about them, what do you think about them. I want to know also if you are already using any of them. And guys, this question is for real. Did you know that you can make a lot of money by investing in Bitcoin? You should start doing it right now. So this one, it's another topic. You know, millions of Bitcoins are being laundered every year, and there are organizations that are misusing this money. So as you know, in large part of the world, the use of the cryptocurrencies is still not regulated. Well, recently the government of Spain complaining about its use. They said that some organizations misuse the money, and they actually are doing this mostly in Europe. Well, also a few weeks ago, the Europol arrested a criminal group in Spain. And well, it seems that this criminal group was using the cryptocurrencies ATMs throughout Europe to withdraw money and send it back to criminals back in Latin America. So, according to the security firm Cybersecurity, from 2010 to 2018, around $4.5 billion were laundered worldwide in cryptocurrencies ATMs. So you know, there are currently more than 5,000 ATMs for cryptocurrencies around the world, with the United States being the highest number of ATMs. They got almost 3,250 units, and Canada is the second largest. They got almost 700 ATMs. And well, worldwide, only 2% of the ATMs are located in Latin America. So that is why actually the regulation of the cryptocurrencies is pretty necessary, and the cooperation of several countries is needed in order to achieve this. So now let's talk about Facebook Libra cryptocurrency. So as you know guys, and as you will remember, a few weeks ago, Facebook announced the project of Libra cryptocurrency. And well, due to they have a lot of problems, this Silicon Valley company is under investigation, and they are involved in a lot of questions about the operations of this Libra cryptocurrency. So the company will stop the cryptocurrency project by now. They will wait a few weeks. And well, this is because some agencies of the United States government, such as the United States Federal Reserve and also the Treasury Department, are asking Libra to submit to intense regulations, so that all questions about it are solved. So for this on, the Libra Project spokesman David Marquez, he mentioned that they have no problem in waiting for Libra to be certified. They are going to wait, so they got the approval, and they want to set the best protection of user data implementation. That's pretty good for Facebook. So let me tell you guys, as a fact, the approximate value of Bitcoin investments around the world is almost $10 million. But it seems that for 2020, it is estimated that the value of the Bitcoin will be around $40 million globally. So you are up to investing right now in Bitcoin. Well, and talking about the United States government, 2 days ago, the President Donald Trump wrote on his Twitter account about his disapproval with respect to the cryptocurrencies. So the president said that they have to be regulated as if they were banks, both the platforms and the transactions, so that it is fair for all the companies and also safe for the users. He also mentioned the little confidence and uncertainty of the Facebook Libra project, since, as you know, the company has been involved in serious security problems, including the Cambridge Analytica case. So guys, let's hope that these tweets of Donald Trump president do not incite a war against the cryptocurrencies, and also do not encourage the Congress to stop the growth of these virtual assets. Well, if you ask me personally, I believe that cryptocurrencies are part of a system that allow markets to grow, generate jobs, and also make the transactions between companies easier. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this topic. I want you to tell me, please, what do you think about it? Have you already invested in cryptocurrencies? And tell me, why are you investing in cryptocurrencies? Do you think it's also a safe way to gain money? Guys, thank you so much for viewing the video. I know it was an interesting topic. You should be investing in cryptocurrencies by now. So this is Miguel in here. I hope you got an excellent day, and please, I want you to please share our video so it reach other people out there.